attend to our webinar. So this webinar is very important for
Mambay,
you
sama
to
tama ako
learn.
tinabunan.
Or
Tinuhuli nga
why?
rani hotspot.
Because if you
Ha?
learn about this topic or this
Tinuhuli ni Nilaw.
program, you can start getting more income using your social media accounts. Okay, so if you excited in my voice clear, just comment number one if my voice clear to you. If you hear me clearly, so please comment number one so we can start our presentation. Okay, so I assume that all attendees here is a member already. Why? Because this VIP accounts or this fast track program is very important for you to learn. And like I told you, this is the best way or the easy way or the fastest way to get your first $1 million in this platform or in this company or using MSI digital system. Are you excited? If you're excited, please comment below so we can start our webinar now. Okay? Comment below. I'm excited. So we can start our webinar. Okay, so by the way, before we start, my name is Coach Mark Manaog. So I'm doing this business for the past 10 years. I'm not new in this platform. I learn a lot. I have a lot of partners from different countries. We have a lot of teams already in different countries. And today, I'm happy to share with you what is the platform or program that helped me, why I'm getting my first $1 million in just a short of time. So this not only about money. So today we're talking about a lot of things that, like I told you, that can help you to upgrade your income or to improve your financial status. Do you want that? Okay, and I know all the people want that, right? So this is your chance for you to know what is the best program or what is the fastest program that can help you to achieve more in life. Okay? So yeah, just finish this webinar and focus to our webinar. Okay, focus to our presentation for today. And like I told you, I promise to you the moment you finish this webinar or you understand all the details about this platform, about this system, your life never same again. Okay? Are you with me? Okay? So yeah, let's start. So again, my name is Coach Mark Manaog and welcome to the BIP Accounts Inclusive Program. So again, our topic for today is BIP accounts. So if you don't know the BIP accounts, you're in the right webinar. If you know the BIP accounts already, don't worry. Today I elaborate to you more about these BIP accounts. So as you see, this BIP accounts is exclusive program for you. Like I told you, for you to get your income or to get your financial freedom in the short of time. Okay? So what you gonna learn today? So you're gonna learn today, number one, where your money coming from. So this means if you're earning money right now, where your income coming from. Okay? What you gonna learn today again? Why you need to upgrade your account. So if you are in the basic account, what is the basic account? The Neoverse package. So if you are in the Neoverse package, your basic account, why you need to upgrade your account to the VIP accounts. Okay? And also today, we're talking about also how you can convert your $4,500 up to $78,656. Are you excited? How you can convert your $4,500 to $78,656 in the short of time. Okay? So maybe you're dreaming about buying a land. Maybe you're dreaming about getting more property in your country. So again, this program is help you. Maybe you dreaming house and lot. So if you get house and lot, if you want to get house and lot in a short of time, or if you have already house and lot and you want get another one, so this program is good for you. Maybe you want to upgrade your car. Maybe you want a Jeep Rubicon. Maybe you want more cars or more, you want to upgrade your car. So this webinar is for you. Why? Because in this webinar, I teach you, I guide you how you can get your financial freedom. Okay? If you dreaming about financial freedom, that you don't need to worry anymore about the money, you don't need to worry anymore about the income, you don't need to worry anymore about the payables or payments or gas like that. So this webinar is for you. Why? Because again, in this webinar, I discuss all the things that can help you to improve your income. Okay? To improve your financial income. Okay, so are you with me? So please stay tuned to our webinar. Okay, so right now let's go to the topic number 1. Okay, where's your income coming from? Okay, we have as you know, we have 4 major source of income. Okay, we call that cash flow quadrant. Okay, cash flow quadrant means this 4 quadrant is the income is your income is coming from. Okay, what is that? Number 1, we're talking about employee. Okay, in employee you don't have a job. You have a job. I mean, you have a job, you earn from your job. The time that you put in your job, let's say you working for 12 hours, your company is paying for 12 hours only. Okay, in the employee quadrant, you don't have leverage. Leverage means multiplying your time to other people. So in the employee quadrant, you are the one only making money for yourself. Okay? No leverage, the amount of active works determine income. This means that's called active income. If you work today, you earn today. If you work in whole week, you earn for whole week. Okay? If you work for 12 hours, your company is paying you in your work for 12 hours. So that's the employee. You don't have leverage. Okay? So it means when you when you don't work today, you cannot earn money today. Okay? It means if you have a sickness or you're not feeling well today, you don't go to your job, you're not earning today. That's the employee quadrant. Why? Because your time equal money. So if you don't put your time in your work, you don't have income. So that's employee quadrant. Okay? Again, number 2, we called about self-employed or SE quadrant. And SE quadrant, you own a job. Okay? You own a job. You have you have you are the boss of your business. Okay? You are the boss, but you don't have leverage. Why? 95% of the population, the amount of active works determine income. So this means, brother, you are almost the same in the employee, but the difference is in the employee, your working time equal money. You almost the same, but in the employee is working in one company. But in self-employed, you're working in your company. So this means if you have a small store, if you have small businesses, if you have shops, if you have if you are if you have a small business, okay, and you are the one only to manage your business, that's called self-employed. So in E quadrant, you are working in one company. In SE quadrant, you're working in your company, in your business. So this SE quadrant is focusing in becoming boss, own boss. Okay? You're the boss of your business. In employee quadrant, they focusing in what's it called that? In um stable income. Okay? Stable income. So security. So employee quadrant is focusing in security. SE quadrant is focusing for I'm the boss of my job. I don't want to have a boss. That's why I put one business. That's why I put one store. So I am the boss of my business. So I don't want to have a boss. That's self-employed or small business. Okay, let's go to other quadrant. In other quadrant, we call that big business or B quadrant. In B quadrant, you own a system. Okay? Leverage 90% of wealth. This means people is working for you and you earn from that. Let's say you have 100 people under your organization. You have managers, you have secretaries, you have people that manage your business or working for you, and they earn money for you. You pay them and you earn from them. Okay? That's called leverage. In this B quadrant, you have people, organization that making money for you. That's why this, if you see this, money equal, people equal money. Because if you have team, if you have organization, they working for you, they do the business for you, they work the production for you, you earn money from that. That's called leverage. So you have a business, you have organization. Okay, so that's a business or big business. You are the boss. In the same time, you have people under your organization. Okay, income does not depend in active work. If you remember, in employee quadrant and SE quadrant, this active quadrant, active income. This means if you work for your business, if you work in one company, you earn money. But in business, they don't depend in the active work. Why? Because in business, you have people, you have organization. Okay, are you with me? Did you understand what I'm saying, brother and sister? Okay, then if you have a lot of income already and you want money working for you, you're going to I quadrant. I quadrant is investment quadrant. You own investments, okay, leverage 5% of population. Income does not depends in active work. Why? Because money is working for you. If you are in the investment, let's like say you invest in mutual fund, you invest in other company, you invest in Alibaba, you invest in other company, so other fast foods like that, you buy shares like that. So that's called investment. Your money is growing over time, but it take years before your money is growing in investment quadrant. Okay? So if you see, brothers and sisters, if you want a leverage or multiplying your time to other people that you don't need to work for money anymore, you need to go to business quadrant and I quadrant. Okay, business quadrant and investment quadrant. And if you see also in our industry, in our society right now, who's the people who have a lot of income or a lot of a lot of property, they are from business quadrant and I quadrant. Okay? So in employee quadrant, yes, you earn money to support your family. You earn money from self-employed to support your family, maybe to get some of your dreams. But if you want a good income that can support not only the family that you have right now, even the next generation that you have coming, right? So you need to go to business quadrant and investment quadrant. Why? Because in business quadrant, you building a leverage. In investment quadrant, you building a leverage also. Okay? So why? Because leverage is one of the most important, is one of the secret of all wealthy people. That's why they earning money. Okay? So that's the difference of employee, SE, and B and I quadrant. So don't get me wrong, brothers and sisters. You can be a successful in every quadrant that we have. Okay? You can be a successful in employee. You can be a successful in self-employed. You can be a successful also in business. You can be successful in investment. But the 99% chance is in the business quadrant and investment quadrant. Okay? It's more fastest way to get your time freedom, to get your dreams, to get the financial freedom in business quadrant and investment quadrant. So where are you right now? Are you an employee? Are you an self-employed? Are you in business or are you in investment? Can you comment down below? Okay? Where are you right now? Are you working right now in one company? Or you working in your business? Or do you have a big business that you have people under your organization? Or are you in the investment quadrant? Where are you right now? Can you comment below? Okay? Can you comment below? Where are you right now before we proceed? Okay, employee. Drusilla Tira is said employee quadrant. Okay. And Joan Gay Dasilio said that business quadrant. Okay. So why you need it's very important that you need to classify that where are you right now? Why? For you to move on to other quadrant. Why? But because our goal is for you to move to employee quadrant to business quadrant if you want a financial freedom or if you want if you want to, you know, financial freedom, we have a lot of kinds of freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, right? So you have health, good health. So in our business, we have time freedom, you can have a good health, and also you can have a good income. Why? Because in our business is a package. This like in one store, all you need is here in our business. So coaches, is very important for you to go to business quadrant. Is it okay? It's okay if you are in the employee or AC quadrant, but don't forget to improve yourself to go to business quadrant or investment quadrant. Okay, so let's proceed. Right now, let's talk about how you can about BIP accounts. Okay, let's talk about the next topic. Okay, so what you gonna get the moment you starting in BIP accounts? What the products and what is the benefits that you can get? Again, you already part of the system before. You already member and you know already the benefits. But right now, let me remind to you. Okay, the moment you start a BIP accounts, you can get a products worth of 4,750 US dollar. Okay, so the products that you can get, as you see in your screen, is you have C Supreme, you have 74/7, you have Coolidus, Burn Slim, complete products, Perfect White, or any, as all the products that you can see in your screen, that's the possible products that you can get after you investing a BIP accounts. So this product you can use it, you can sell it if you want. So it's up to you. What do you want to do in your products? But much better use and sell it your products if you want. Okay? Again, you can get also a 25% to 30% discount of every products that you can buy. In the same time, you can have a digital account that you can see your income digital. You can see anytime, anywhere your income, your account in online anytime as long as you have internet. In the same time, you have a benefits of scripts. So scripts using for how you set appointment to your client, how you can get clients, how you can attract your clients. So okay, you can get also a module in training. Every Saturday, we have trainings and modules that guide you how you can be a successful using this MSI digital system. Okay, again, you have a MSI ecosystem that help you every steps that you can do in this business. Also, you get also a MSI, Visa card. So Visa card is you can use that to get to withdraw your income. Okay. Also, you get also a VIP program. So all the benefits that you can get is already here in one package. Okay, in one package, again, you get 4,750 US dollar worth of products. That's very huge, huge ROI or return of investment for you. Okay, that's the products that you can get. Are you with me? Okay, so I hope you following my topic. Okay, let's proceed. So that's all the benefits that you can get. Okay, so we have two options of BIP accounts. Number one, the option A is 4,500. Yes, you heard right. The investment or the capital for BIP accounts is $4,500. So option number one is $4,500. You can get, again, you get 4,750 US dollar worth of products. Okay, in option A. In option B, this 4,500 US dollar also. Same amount, same investment, but you get also a 4,750 worth of products. But the difference only is in option B, you get 1,200 US dollar worth of cash back. Means the moment you start in option B right now, today or tomorrow, you can get also a cashback of 1,200 US dollar is reflected already in your digital account. Okay? If you invest in 4,500 and you get 1,200 cashback, this means you investing only 1,300 up $3,300. Plus you have a products, right? Remember, you have products 4,750 US dollar. So the total the total ROI or return of investment that you can get here is number one, products worth of 4,750 worth of products plus you get 1,200 cashback. Okay? 1,200 cashback reflected to your digital account. So the total ROI or return of investment after you invest for BIP accounts is 5,950 US dollar. Okay, again, how much you put in BIP accounts? It's only how much? Can you comment below? How much is only 4,500 US dollar? If I ask you right now, what the option that you want to buy? Option A or option B? Comment below. Okay? Option A or option B? Okay? So you can comment below, what do you want to get? Of course, you want to get to option B. Why? Because people, they want to get, immediately return. So the good news is our companies provide for you an immediate return. Again, remember this. The return of investment. It means the moment you invest the 4,500 right now, you get ROI of 5,950 US dollar. Okay, that's what you're gonna get. You invest 4,500 only, but you get 5,950 US dollar. Are you with me, coaches? Oh, commenting option B, Coach Joshua, Brother Joshua. Option B, Brother Apisay, option B. And Coach Isa, option B also. Yeah, this is the best option, option B. Okay, by the way, I want to congrats one of my partner from PG Island who built the BIP accounts last day, and I already shipped the packages last day also. Okay, so how much the potential income of BIP accounts? So let's talk more deeper about BIP accounts. How much the potential income? Okay, but before that, these the people who already earn money because of BIP accounts. This Coach Naomi earning 11,527 Australian dollar, and this brother and sister Eliza earning 5,807 Australian dollar already because the BIP accounts program. Also this Coach Makileta earning 4,994 Australian dollar, and this Coach Pilalasi earning 3,834 Australian dollar. And the same time, this sister Salome Kulata from PG Island earning 74,845 pesos. And the same time, this brother Sugari earned 71,600 pesos. This a cashback, okay? So, Kilipi Kulata earning 42,600 in just one day. And the same time, Rakai earning 47,200 in just one day only. Okay? So, if you get the BIP accounts in the next presentation, your face is already here in our presentation. Okay? So if you want to put your face, your income also in the next webinar, you must go to BIP accounts right now. You mail your coach right now to get a BIP accounts. So again, let me remind to you about the system. I know you are the member. I know you already know the system, but let me remind to you, it's almost the same in the normal account. Okay? The system. Okay, the system. So your job again, let me remind to you, your job again is setting appointment. What is the setting appointment or getting clients? In the simple word is getting clients. Okay, setting appointment. How you can set appointment? We already discussed that in the webinar last day, Saturday, and also last Saturday. So we already discussed how you can set appointment. So if you want to learn how to set appointment, you message your coach, your mentor, and your mentor is guide you how to set appointment. So your job is setting appointment or getting client. Getting client for what? For the live webinar. Okay, so we have live webinar every Tuesday, okay, every Thursday, and every Sunday for BIP accounts. So you prepared your client, let's say tomorrow, Monday. You prepared your client starting today and Monday, so you have a client on Tuesday. Okay, or if we don't have a webinar, you set appointment your client to your coach, to your mentor, to your sponsor. And your mentor is the one to present the business to your client. Okay, in this case, we have a webinar every Tuesday and Thursday. So what you gonna do? Set your friends, relatives, family member, all the people you know, even you don't know that people, you can set them appointment to our live webinar via Zoom like this. Okay? And if your client is avail the system, we discuss all the details about this business to your client, and your client decide to avail the system, that the moment you earn a commission. How much the commission? For every VIP accounts that you can close. Okay? So 178 US dollar. Okay? Plus, you can earn a bonus of 480 US dollar every VIP accounts. And remember the binary system. If you have people in left, if you have people in right, you earn 480 US dollar. Okay? So, remember this, the commission income of every VIP accounts that you can get is 178 US dollar. As you remember, the normal account, if you get one people in the normal account, your income only is 89 US dollar. But here is already 178 US dollar. Plus, you get also 480 US dollar in every pairing income. Pairing income means if you have people in left, if you have people in right, boom, you earn 480 US dollar. Okay? So let me explain to you more about these VIP accounts. Let me explain to you the maximize or how to maximizing the VIP accounts. Okay, this is the position of your account. Later on, I show to you. Okay, your goal in the first 3 months. Okay, remember this, brother and sister. Your goal in the first 3 months is to get 16 people. Yes, you heard right. In just 3 months only, you get 16 people. It's only 6 people per month. 6 people per month who can invest a VIP account. Okay? Maybe you're worrying right now when I can get that 16 people. Okay? And go to your prospect list or go to your friend list in Facebook. Maybe you have 1,000 friends. Maybe you have 2,000 friends. Maybe you have 3,000 friends. Maybe in your village you know more than 100 people in your village, in your country. So it's only 16 people in 3 months, brother and sister. It's very basic. And with help of your coach and your mentor in our team, you can achieve these 16 people in very easy way. Why I'm sure for that? Because our system is very effective. Okay? 6 people only per month, brother and sister. 6 people only. Brother, 6 people times 3 is 18. Oh, much better you have access to people. Okay? So, 6 people per month, brother and sister, who can invest a VIP accounts. If you get 16 people in 3 months, how much the potential income that you can get? Are you excited? Oh, let me show to you. Are you excited? If you get 16 people, comment below you are excited to get to see the income that you can get. Okay? So let's proceed. Okay, this is the income. Okay, but let me elaborate to you more. Okay, if you get 16 people in 3 months, as you remember, every people you can earn 178 US dollar. Okay, means brother, 16 people times 178, the total is 2,848 US dollar in the direct income only or direct sponsoring. You are the one to set appointment and you earn 2,848 US dollar already. Remember, this is a US dollar, not the PG dollar, okay? US dollar. So, in a much sales income. So, how you can earn a much sales income? If you have people in left, okay? If you have people in left, if you have people in right, you earn 32 US dollar. Okay? 30 US dollar every account. If you get 15 accounts, you earn, if you have one VIP accounts on left, one VIP accounts on right, you earn 480 US dollar. But every people, you earn 32 US dollar. Or every accounts. Okay? So, in your 16 people, brothers and sisters, you have total of 360 accounts. Why? Because you get 16 people times 15, you get 360 accounts. Okay, 360 accounts times 32 US dollar, that equal 11,520 US dollar. Are you with me? Okay, in 16 people, you already earn 2,848 dollar plus you earn 11,520 US dollar. So it means you earn in total income in just 3 months time is 14,368 US dollar. Imagine that. What the life that you have if you earn this amount, 14,368 US dollar. What the life that you can experience. Where you going if you earn 14,000 US dollar in just 3 months time. So your 4,500 is already 14,000 in just 3 months time. Brothers and sisters, are you with me? Okay? Do you understand? Okay, if you're from PG Island, $14,368 is already 33,000 PG dollar. So that's how big income in just 3 months time. And this is the good news. We're not stopping in the 3 months time. Let's go for more deeper explanation. Let's say another 3 months. Let's say you do the business another 3 months and you get another 16 people after 3 months. Okay, after another 3 months, you earn again 16 people times 178 US dollar. You earn 2,848 US dollar in direct referral income alone. Okay, this is the good news. Again, you have another people in left and people in right. So you earn how much? If you remember, in the first 3 months, you have only 360 accounts. But in other 3 months, you have 480 accounts. 480 accounts times 32 US dollar, the total of 15,360 US dollar. Okay? 2,848 plus, bring your calculator, 2,848 plus 15,360 US dollar. You earn total of 18,208 US dollar. That's the income that you can get after 3 months. Okay? So it means, brother and sister, in just 6 months time, your total income is 32,576 US dollar in just 3 months time. I mean, in just 6 months time. Okay, in the first 6 months, you get 16 people. In another 6 months, you get another 16 people. The total of 32 people in just 3 months, in just 6 months time, you earn total of 32,576 US dollar. What you gonna do in that income if you get 32,576 US dollar? Comment down below. Can you comment down below what you gonna do in your income? Or you can give me. Sorry, I'm joking. Okay. So what you gonna do if you earn 30,570,000? Maybe you buy new car, maybe you buy land. Is enough, right? If not, you can work more. Maybe you can buy house in lot, right? So maybe you can travel in other country. Maybe you can go in the Philippines in that amount, right? So are you with me? Can you comment below what you gonna do in that income? Maybe you can buy your new truck, okay, like that. So you can do a lot of things the moment you have that income, right? So you can comment down below what you gonna do in your income if you get this amount of income. Okay. Now let me proceed to the next topic. Okay. Let's talk about in the second level. Okay, in the first 6 months, that's only first level, brother and sister. Okay, it's a first level only. What is a first level only? And you earn 30,000 already. Right now, let's proceed in the second level. In the second level, you earn more. Why? Because in the second level, you have people already under your organization. Means you have people that can help you to build your organization. Let's say the 32 people in the first level, okay, in the first 6 months, you have 32 people. And this 32 people is get one people only per people. They get only one people who investing a BIP accounts. This means in your second level, you have another 480 accounts times 32 US dollar. So it means you earning how much again? 15,360 US dollar. But the question is, who the one to get that 32 people? You or your member? You or your member? Comment down below. Okay? Of course, the answer is your member, your first level, not you. And still you earning money under your organization. And still you get commission from that. How does possible? Because of the system of leveraging or left or binary system, that if you have people in left, if you have people in right, you get income of 32 US dollar. If you thinking 32 US dollars, very small income, no. That's one of the biggest income that you can get in this platform. Why? Because over time, your team is growing and growing and growing, and you earning 32 US dollar with don't do nothing. Even you're in the vacation, even you're sleeping, you're earning money, you have people under your organization. Okay? In the second level, you're earning how much? 15,360 US dollar. Okay? So if you get that income, what you gonna do? What you gonna do again in that 15,360 US dollar? Okay? Let's proceed. Okay, in the third level, let's talk about in the third level. Yes, we have another third level. Okay, in the third level, like I told you, this income is going deeper and bigger and bigger and bigger also. Okay, in the third level, brother and sister, your first level and second level is help you to build your second level. Third level, I mean. Okay, let's say you have 32 people in your first level. Remember that? And in your second level, you have another 32 people. Let's say every people, they get one people each only after 3 months. Let's say after 3 months, right? So it means in your third level, your income is times 2. If you remember, in the second level, you earn how much? 15,360. Means in your third level, your income is times 2. Why? You have 960 accounts in your 960 accounts registered in your under your organization. This means 960 accounts times 32 US dollar, you earn 30,720 US dollar without do nothing, brother and sister. Okay? So this first level and second level is helping you to get more people. And you earn 30,720. Maybe you are in the vacation in that time. Maybe you're in the date in that time. Maybe you have you're so busy in that time, but you earn that amount in your income. When you check your DTC account, yung digital account, you can see your income. Imagine that. And you can withdraw that income using your ATM MasterCard. And the good news is, it's not stopping in the first level and second level and third level. Why? Because people, they have own dreams. They have own dreams also. They have own goal. So it means these people from first level and second level and third level, they do the business even you don't do your business. Means even you don't want the income, the company giving your income. Why? Because you have people under your organization. And the good news, brother, in our system, you don't need to pay that first level, second level, and third level. You don't need to pay them. Why? The company is the one to give them a commission, not you. Remember that? Not you. The company is the one to give them a commission. So this means it's very low, lower, what's all that? Expenses if you have, like, if you have business like this. If you have expense like this, okay? Did you get what I mean, brother and sister? Did you get what I mean? Okay, so let's total the income after 1 year. How your $4,500 become 76,000 US dollar. Okay, let's total in just 1 year. So again, let's review. In the first 6 months, you earn 30,576 US dollar in the first 6 months. In the second month, and in the second level, you earn another 15,360 US dollar. In the third level, you earn another $30,720 US. The total of income in just 1 year is $78,656 US in just 1 year. From $4,500, right now your $4,500 is already $78,656 US in just 1 year. And the good news is that income is growing and growing and growing. Why? Because again, your people under your organization is do the business continuously. Means, brother and sister, your people is growing and growing and growing under your organization. Your income is growing and growing and growing also. Are you with me? Okay? Are you with me, coaches? That's the very powerful system. But again, if you work the system working for you, so it means this $4,500 is just an investment. After that, you need to do your job also before you get this income, 78,656 in just 1 year. Okay? So what I'm talking about right now, brother and sister, is a very worst scenario. Why? Because you can get more people in 1 year. Not only 64 people, not only 16 people in just 3 months, in just 6 months. You can get more people. Okay, you can get more people, but this is only the sample or potential income in just 1 year. You can earn more in $78. You can earn more. Maybe you can earn $100,000 because you have a 31 accounts. Okay? So, let me elaborate to you more, brother and sister. Why you need to complete a BIP accounts. Okay? So, let me show to you the sample. Okay, let's say you have one store. Let's say you have one store. And one store is earning $5,000 per day. Let's say there's a grocery store. You put a lot of products in that one store. Let's say in one store, you're earning $5,000 in just 1 day. One store only. Okay? What if you have 3 stores? This means 5,000 each. So this means you have 3 stores. You're earning $15,000 per day. So now, from $5,000, you're earning right now $15,000 in just 1 day. Because you have a 3 store. Okay? Are you with me? Okay? What if you have 7 store? So this means every store you're earning $5,000 times 7. So you're earning $30,000 in just 1 day. From $5,000 right now, you're earning already $30,000 in just 1 day. Let's go more deeper. What if you have 31 store? Every store you're earning $5,000 each. Times 31. In just 1 day, you're earning $155,000. That's why if you know the McDonald's or another store like KFC, they earning $1 million in just 1 day. Why? Because they have a lot of branches in different countries, in different places. Okay? So that's how business works. Means the more investment that you have, the more income that you can get. Okay? You can see the sample. If you have 31 store, you're earning $155,000. If you have one store only, you're earning $5,000 only. Let's say you have one store, I have 31 store. Who the one to earn more? Me and you. Me or you? Of course, me. I have 31 store. So I earning $155,000 in just 1 day only. Do you get what I mean? Okay? So let's me compare to other business, to our business. To our business, in the basic account, you have 3 accounts only. I mean, you have 1 account only. But if you go to BIP accounts, you have 31 accounts. So this means your possible income is 31 times also over time. And the good news is you don't need to put another money again. Why? Because it's a one-time investment only. And your income is growing and growing and growing and growing over years. Do you get what I mean, coaches? Okay? So that's the powerful of leveraging system. Leveraging system is multiple your income through other people or multiple your income through system. Okay? So right now, what we building, brother and sister, is leverage. Okay, leverage. That what asset that we building is leverage. Okay, so let me explain to you the asset and liabilities. If you have money right now, maybe you're thinking where I can put my money. Brother, I have that amount, $4,500. So what I need to do? Can I invest in VIP accounts, or can I buy cars, or can I buy iPhone? Like that, right? So it's very important that you know the asset and liabilities. Asset means the things that giving you income or create money for you. Liabilities is the things that you owe but not making money for you, or debt. Loans, car, not earning or giving income for you, that's asset. That's liabilities. Let's say you have car and you're not earning from your car, that's liabilities. Let's say you have mobile phone, you have iPhone, but you're not earning in your iPhone, that's liabilities. Let's say you have you loan to your government, let's say $10,000, and you're not put that loan to business, and you're not earning money, that's liabilities. You have credit card and your credit is only for shopping, and you're not investing that, or you're not using that income, your that money to buy things that can earn money also for you, that's liabilities. Okay, you have 4,500 right now, and you put in other things, and you're not earning money from that, that's liabilities. Okay, so means all the things that not earning money for you, not generating money for you, that's liabilities. But in asset, all the things that you put money and you earn money from that continuously, that's asset. Okay, so remember, brother, what I'm saying. The asset that we're building right now is leverage. If you get the 31 accounts, the 31 accounts, or the BIP accounts, you building asset is leverage, right? It's leverage, not only by investing that amount of money. It's leverage, brother and sister. Okay? Remember this. Where you gonna put your money? In asset or liabilities? Let's say you have 4,500 right now. Where you want to put your money? The things that you're earning money, or the things that you're not earning money? Comment down below. Okay? So that's the leverage system works. And also, yeah, asset. Coach Apisa is comment asset. Okay. So, okay. Let's back to the cash flow quadrant. In employee quadrant, SE quadrant, sometimes liabilities. Why? Because most of people, when you are in the employee quadrant and SE quadrant, your goal is buy things. Buy things. Buy this, and buy iPhone, buy another one, buy, even you don't need that, you buy it. Your income is coming, your income from employee, your income from self-employed is sometimes you support only for your family. I'm not saying that your family's liabilities, but if in terms of business, if that money is not earning money for you, that's liabilities, right? So like payables, pay bills, pay anything. You pay your loan every month, but you're not earning money for your loan, that's liabilities, brother and sister. But in asset, in business, in I quadrant, that's called asset. Why? The moment your business is growing and growing, your investment is growing and growing, means business is generating income for you. And investment is generating income for you also. That's called asset. So where are you right now? Are you in the asset or in the liabilities? Okay, Coach Joshua is comment asset. Okay. So that's, brother, that's the how the BIP works, and that's the potential of BIP accounts. And I hope you understand my presentation for today. So this topic, it's help you to understand how the business works also, and how the BIP accounts, and how much the potential income of the BIP accounts. So you decide right now where you gonna put your money, in your asset, in your liabilities, in BIP accounts, or in other things. Okay? If you don't have people already right now in your organization, or if you have people already but not much people, you must go to VIP accounts. You must complete your VIP accounts. Why? Because that's the best time to complete your VIP accounts. Even you don't have people under your organization. Don't wait to have more people under your organization before you go to VIP accounts. That's a wrong move. Okay? What you gonna do? Let's say you have 10 people under organization. Still, it's good to complete the VIP accounts. Why? Because you can position your accounts in the best position. Okay, sometimes business is good for the you need a good position. Okay? So you need to put your VIP accounts in the good position for you to earn more. Okay? Are you with me? Asset, VIP accounts, brother, sister Dorisila, Tira. So, coach, that's the VIP accounts program. So, did you understand, brother and sister? Okay? Are you going to VIP accounts? If you're going VIP accounts, I promise to you, brother and sister, 2, 3 years from now, your income is not the same. You have a time freedom, you have financial freedom, you can travel in the Philippines, we can meet together, right? And also, we have exclusive program for you after you start a VIP accounts. Okay? Brother, me, I'm doing this business for the past 10 years. When I'm starting the business, I buy only 3 accounts. But that's my regret. Why? Because if I have money that time, I promise to myself I go to VIP accounts. Because it's very important. Right now, I have already 50,000 people under my organization. But my regret is I'm not completing the VIP accounts before. Why? Because if I have 50,000 people right now under my VIP accounts right now, I earn more 7 digit or 8 digits per month right now. But right now, I earn 6 to 7 digit per month. So that's the power of VIP accounts. So go for VIP accounts, brother and sister. So go for VIP accounts, message your mentor right now, message your coach right now that you want to go to VIP accounts. Coach, yeah, I want to go to VIP accounts, but I have only, it's not, my money is not much for that. Oh, you message your mentor. Your mentor have a proposal for you. You can message your mentor. Okay? So again, I'm done. So thank you for attending to our webinar. Thank you for joining to our webinar for today. And I know you understand and you know the system already. And let's work together. Let's do the business together. So this coming Tuesday, we have webinar. You can invite your family, all your friends to our webinar. So again, thank you, Binaka. Thank you to all our partners from different countries. And let's back our mic to our host, Coach JB. Hi, Coach JB.
All right. Thank you, Coach Mark Naog, for your wonderful and powerful presentation. So let's send gratitude to Coach Mark Manaog, brothers and sisters. So thank you. And you can open your mic if you have a question or clarification in our presentation tonight. All right, I think no question. They will going all VIP accounts. All right, so congratulations, brothers and sisters. Go for VIP accounts. So it will be the best decision you could make. If you want to get your past result, go for VIP accounts and you could see return in days. This make your money grow faster over time. You can secure your better future for your family, a better life, earning steady, big income. Profits can improve your quality living. That's how amazing the VIP accounts. So you can message your sponsor, your mentor now, brothers and sisters, that you will going to VIP accounts right now. Past decision, past action for your past result. All right, so go for VIP account. So congratulations again, brothers and sisters. to our guest tonight. Thank you for your precious time. And we are happy and excited, brothers and sisters, to get your result here in our team. So before we end, let's take a photo opportunity. You smile, coaches. Show your handsome and beautiful smile, Coach Mark. Smile, coaches. Let's take a family picture. Open your camera.
Okay, you smile, coaches. Okay, you smile. And 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you, coaches.
All right, thank you again. And I would like to invite you again on Tuesday in our next Zoom webinar. So bring your friends, your workmates, your family, relatives to attend our next Zoom webinar on Tuesday. So thank you again, brothers and sisters. Have a great night and God bless and happy changing lives. Bye-bye, brothers and sisters. Thank you.